In this video, I'm going to be looking at finding unknown coefficients in functions. So in this question here, we're given a diagram shows part of the graph of the function ax plus by equals 6. And we need to find the value of a and b. Now to do these questions, any coordinates we know, we sub these coordinates into the function separately. We then form equations and solve. If we end up with two different equations, we may need to use simultaneous equations. Okay, so I can see there 2, 0 and 0, 3. So let's put these into our function. So 2, 0, x is 2, y is 0. We have ax plus by equals 6. So x is 2. So we'll have a times 2 plus b times y, which is 0, equals 6. So then 2a equals 6. A equals 6 over 2. A equals 3. Now let's do the same now with 0, 3. So x is 0. Y is 3. Putting then into ax plus by equals 6. So a times 0, because x is 0, plus b times 3 equals 6. A times 0 is 0. B times 3 is 3b equals 6. So b equals 6 over 3. B equals 2. So our equation now, so at a being 3, we have 3x. B is 2, so plus 2y equals 6. There's the equation then of that function. Okay, we'll do the same with this one. So you can see there we have two coordinates, so 3, 4 and minus 1, minus 8. And then we have the function y equals mx plus c. So let's sub in these values individually. X and y equals mx plus c. So we'll have minus 8 is equal to m times minus 1 plus c. So minus 8 is equal to minus m plus c. So minus m plus c equals minus 8. Now we have two unknowns here, so I'm just going to have to leave it like that. So you can see here we're probably going to end up with a simultaneous equation. Okay, now let's do the same with 3, 4. So x and y, putting that in equal y equals mx plus c. Y is 4, x is 3. So 4 is equal to 3m plus c. So 3m plus c equals 4. Right, so we have two equations now, so let's just write these out. So minus m plus c equals minus 8. 3m plus c equals 4. So now let's solve this simultaneously. So I'm going to do this by multiplying the top by minus 1. This becomes plus, minus, this becomes plus. Minus c plus c cancels out. Plus m and 3m is 4m. 8 plus 4 is 12. So m then equals 12 over 4. M equals 3. Let's sub this now into one of the originals. So I'll put it into 3m plus c equals 4. So 3 times 3 plus c equals 4. So 9 plus c equals 4. 9 goes to the other side. It'll be 4 minus 9. So c equals minus 5. So now that we have the values of m and c, the equation of our function would be y is equal to 3x minus 5. Okay, let's have a look at one involving a quadratic. So again, we're going to do this the exact same way. We have two coordinates, minus 2, 6, and 1, 3, and let's put those into the equation of g of x. Okay, so minus 2, 6, that's x, that's y. So for g of x, remember that g of x is the same as y, just in case you've forgotten that. So I'll write it as y is equal to ax squared plus bx minus 2. So we'll have 6 is equal to a times minus 2 squared plus b times minus 2 minus 2. So 6 is equal to minus 2 squared is 4. So 4a minus 2b minus 2. Let's bring the minus 2 to the other side. That'll be plus 2, so 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 is equal to 4a minus 2b. So that is our first equation. Now, let's do the same with 1 and 3, x and y. So that means 3 for y will equal a times 1 squared plus b times 1 minus 2. So then 3 is equal to 1 squared is 1, and 1 times a is just going to be a plus b, because b times 1 is just b, minus 2. Bring a minus 2 to the other side, it becomes plus 2, so 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is equal to a plus b. Now, have our two equations, so let's write these out separately. And let's solve a simultaneous equation. Okay, I'm going to multiply the top by 2. So 2a plus 2b equals 10. Under it then, I'm going to have 4a minus 2b is equal to 8. Now adding straight down, plus 2b and minus b cancel. 2a and 4a is 6a. And then 10 plus 8 is 18. So a is equal to 18 over 6. So a is equal to 3. So if a is equal to 3, let's sub that into one of the originals. So a plus b equals 5 is the easier one. So 3 plus b equals 5. So b equals 2. So we've found the values of a and b. So after all that, the equation of our function will be g of x is equal to 3x squared plus 2x minus 2. And that's it.